Super day in the land of the living. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Justin David and this is Let's Talk Beats. If this is your first time coming to my channel, thanks a ton for coming by to see what we're working on. If this is not your first time on the channel, I'm glad you're still here. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add metadata to the stem files. Take this time to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. With that said, let's get right into the video. Once you've bounced your stem files, you're going to want to add the metadata to them. So what you're going to want to do is you want to locate where you have those sounds. We've already gone there, and we're going to want to select all of them. You want to click shift to hold down and select everything, and if you want to deselect something, hold command and that will deselect that. In this case, we're going to deselect the MIDI folder. We don't need that MIDI file to be in our metadata. So now we'll just drag these 20 sounds over. We'll give it some time to prepare. While we're waiting for this to prepare, take this time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps us out, helps our channel grow. We're at 72 subscribers now. We're looking to get to that 80 before the summer. It takes time. I encourage you to start your channel as well too. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. So while we're waiting for these remaining 14, now there should be 13, now it's 11 files. Okay. We have the free version of Tag Editor. Now we theorized that if we had the paid for version, that we wouldn't have to do this multiple times over and over. But you make it work, cut costs, because running this type of business on one income is not always the easiest. It gets challenging, but the challenge often leads to a payout. So now we have all of our stems. So we'll just make sure all of this information from these sections here, we can just hold shift, hit command C, and we can select all of these sections, hit command V. Now we have that information in there. This is not rare beats. This is going to be rare stems for our genre. That's fine. We're going to select here, hold shift, select, command V, command C to copy, shift, command V to paste. We're going to take this here, hold down shift, we're going to put stems, and then we're going to select these two sections, command C, select those sections, command V. And this is where it's different than in the audio file. We do not want to select here and change that, because then it's going to put all this information into the file, and we would want for our stems just to have the name of the stem and our identifiers. We don't want it to have the number, the artist, because then it's like when I go to load this into the software, I have to figure out, okay, all this data, all this information, just let's get the name. So it's real easy. You know, this is the bass drum 1, and this is the bass drum 2. This is the bass guitar. Now we notice that this is spelled incorrectly, so we can go in here and delete that extra S, and now all that's going to work. And so what we can do now is make sure that everything is accurate. This is not 32, this is 39. So we're going to want to select all of those, put 39. But the date is accurate, the artist is accurate, the beats per measure is accurate, who it's encoded by is accurate. Just want to double check and triple check. The file names are accurate, the comment is accurate, the genre, the album, the artist, the titles, the composer, and the artwork. All of that is accurate. So now what we can do is we can click save. It's going to save these files, and if you're looking on the screen, you can notice that some of them have already changed. We're going to close out of that, and the remaining files will be updated. I'm going to close out of that. A few more files. Close out of that, 2 more files to update, and then we will be able to click OK on this window. This is going to solidify and rename all of our files. And if you look in the Finder window, now we have our artwork and we have all of the sections of the metadata that we want to have there. And that is how we add the metadata to our stem files. If you learned something today that you didn't know yesterday, thanks a ton for stopping by. Take this time to like, share, and subscribe if you found this information useful. As always, may this reach you up happy and healthy in the land of the living. Much love, respect, and peace in.